Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to apply mods to your FIFA 19 to get FIFA 23 update. I did a video on that, but it seems most of you are having challenges with the Frosty, so I had to do another one real quick. So please, if this is your first time, kindly subscribe and also like the video to grow the channel. So without wasting much time, let's start. The first thing you have to do is to come to this page. The link is in the description below. But first of all, I would like to thank VLPATCH Mode. It has been a very big part of this project. Okay, so when you come to this page, you have to go to more. You scroll down, you see some links. So the first one is the complete modes, that's for Google Drive, and the second one is for Mega link. So if you choose to download from Mega, then you have to download in parts. That's from part 1 to 4. After that, you extract them into one folder. Then you also have to download the title update 7, this one, and also download Frosty Mode Manager version 1.0.6.0 beta 5, and also get your latest squad file, this one. After that, you have to also download this because it's an installation guide which will help you or guide you to arrange the modes in the Frosty Mode Manager. Yeah, so those are the files you will need. Thank you. So let me show you how you are going to apply it. So after downloading the files needed, first thing you have to do is to go to the FIFA 19 location. If this is your first time applying the modes, you have to first go to the location of the FIFA 19. So this is the location of my FIFA 19. The first thing you need to do over here is delete the mode data. You have to delete it. I've already applied it, so I don't have to delete my mode data. This is where the modes will be saved or stored, so you have to delete it so that the new mode that you are going to apply would replace this one. So you have to delete this first. First thing you have to do is delete this. Okay, after that, the next thing you have to do is to copy all your FIFA 19 title update 7. So this is the title update 7. So you copy everything here, everything in the title update 7 here. You copy everything here like this. Copy it like this. Copy. And after that, you close it and go to the location of the FIFA 19. Go to the location of the FIFA 19. This time around, I'm going to be more careful about that because I don't want this content to be removed. So please pay attention. So after copying the FIFA 19 title update 7, you paste it here. You paste it here once again. Alright, then you close it. If you follow what I'm doing, trust me, you're not going to face any issues. Alright, so after doing that, the next thing you have to do is the Frosty Mode Manager version 1.0.6.0 beta 5 here. It's in the files I told you to download. So this is it. So let's go to the location. So when you, after downloading the FIFA 19, the Frosty Mode Manager version 1.06.0 beta 5, you have to extract it. Yes. So let me wrap up. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the FIFA 19 location and delete the mode data. After that, copy and paste the title update 7 into the FIFA 19 folder. Then the next thing you do is to extract your Frosty Mode Manager version 1.06.0 beta 5. When you extract it, you get this. You are going to get the Frosty Mode Manager, this folder. So you open. Alright. Over here, I had already done that. So the FIFA 19 is here. But if this is your first time, you have to click on the new. Then after that, you go to the location of the FIFA 19 to select the FIFA. Once again, if this is your first time, you click on new, because you're not going to see anything here. So you click on new and go to the FIFA 19 location and click on the FIFA 19 icon. After that, you click on it, then you select it. Alright, so if this is your first time, you are not going to see anything here. So you click on this add modes to add the modes, the complete modes you downloaded. You click on this add modes, then you go to the location of the complete modes you downloaded. You copy everything in there. So this time I'm going to be more careful. So this is the complete mode. You copy everything in here. Then you click on the open. But I had already done that, so I'm not going to click on the open. So you just highlight everything, select everything like this. Then you click on the open. When you click on the open, everything will come up here. It will be on this left side. So all you need to do is to arrange it like this, in this order. So first of all, you just have to search, then apply. You search, then apply. Search and apply. That's what you are going to do. So you click on search. The first thing you have to apply is the face update. So this is the face update you are going to do. So you just have to click on the search, then you search for the face update. That one will help you make it real quick. So you search one after the other and make sure you apply it in this order. But I have added some updates to it, some more updates, but make sure it's in this order. So this is how you are going to arrange the modes. Make sure you arrange the modes in this order. If you don't find any item here, don't worry, just continue, because I have added some modes, some updates to it. So don't worry, just continue. So you have to arrange it in this order. So you select, you apply here, you will come here in that order. That's how you are going to do it. You can pause the video and apply it. So that's how you are basically going to do it. So you could see I have added some players to it because I've updated mine. But all you need is the complete modes. When you have the complete modes, you can add the updates later. So that's how you are going to do it. That's how you are going to do it, step by step. When you don't see anything in there but you have the complete modes, just so you have to skip everything then. But make sure it's like this. You can pause the video and apply it one after the other. Okay, so after that, there is this thing that's worrying most of you, and that's the frosty. When you launch the frosty and it gives you an error, I've done a video on it, so just check the description below. You see that video in there, so don't worry when you click on the launch. But first, make sure you have done the right thing by arranging the modes in the right order. So having done that, when you get any errors, just check the description below in the video. I've done a video on that. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and I hope it is going to work for you. So after that, you launch and it should launch. Because I had already done it, see, it just launched. It's not going to give me any problem. So if this is your first time, it's going to take some time before it will launch. But if it launches, if it gives you an error without launching, or if it minimizes without launching, I've made a video on that, and the link is in the description below. So check that video and you'll be okay. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope it works. Bye.